In the past 1 decade, Mumbai has seen immense growth and many suburbs are now developed and seen humongous growth, and MaladEast is one of them. MaladEast is located 34 km from Mumbai City and it belongs to Konkan region. Away from the glare of Mumbai City, MaladEast has many mid-segment of residential and commercial projects. Hello and welcome to this locality, that project. I'm Shilpi Dudeja. MaladEast is a prime location and it attracts property home buyers also. Today we will see how MaladEast is performing in terms of infrastructure index, connectivity index, development index, and we will see what are the civic issues here. Triveni Nagar, Mira Nagar and Kokanipada are few nearby localities. Also towards its east is Sanjay Gandhi National Park, Goregaon West in the south and Kandivali East in north. MaladEast is one of the key localities ahead of Andheri on the western suburban line. MaladEast has evolved as a mid-residential location favouring working professionals working in Andheri till Borivali region. Malad houses several prominent malls which are located within a distance of 6 to 7 km. In terms of educational institutes, MaladEast houses multiple schools and colleges. The locality has many nursing homes, hospitals and dispensaries. Malad is an important area of employment along with the Kandivali East and Goregaon East in the vicinity, which are located within 5 to 10 km from the locality. Apart from corporate offices, other commercial buildings are Neo Corporate Plaza, Allied Business Center and many more. Most of the offices and retail markets are on the Western Express Highway. MaladEast is well connected with the rest of the city via Malad railway station on Western Line and through Western Highway as well. Western Highway gives seamless connectivity to the Mumbai City. That's why Mumbai International Airport is just 10 km away from MaladEast. Also, the proposed Metro Line 7 Andheri East to Dahisar East, which is tentatively scheduled to open in 2021, is expected to improve connectivity to the area and boost housing demand of the locality. The neighbourhood is served by best buses and auto rickshaws. Borivali railway station is just 5.3 km from here. Internal roads provides easier travel to nearby areas. 2 BHK is the most common room configuration in this locality and accounts approximately 38% of all the properties for sale. 94% of the properties in MaladEast are multi-story apartments. For more information, you can log on to magicbricks.com. We have given the link in description box as well. Traffic on road is a common problem in MaladEast. In office hours, traffic can be seen in this area. Waste management is also a common problem in this locality, which is raised by many residents here. But after all, this locality is peaceful and environment friendly. MaladEast has a vast range of flats available for IT hubs as well. It is in the close proximity of other employment hubs also. That's why this is a perfect choice for living and for working people. Thanks for watching this locality, that project.
Please like and share this video and do subscribe to MBTV.